My name is Roberta and I'm a primary teacher. 3 years ago was very challenging time of my life. I was struggling emotionally, mentally and physically. I was questioning myself about some repeated failures, and I was very overwhelmed by personal and family situation, and was feeling very stuck, very struggling. And one day a friend of mine told me about ScalarPrana in a very enthusiastic way, and in my heart I felt inside that maybe would be a very nice way to try this new path. So in February 2021 I attended to ScalarPrana therapy first level, and I felt that something was moving inside me. From that moment was like something had ignited inside me, and I started to follow every course Betty and you offered. Since then my life has taken a direction that I call personal miracle and personal resurrection. I bless every day Betty and Ugo to give me the opportunity to meet Fe and the ScalarPrana community. And I bless all for giving me the chance to open my eyes to the truth. I was blind, but now I see with my eyes of my heart and with the eyes of my soul my true self. Now I'm a happy woman who see and look for only for the beauty of the life, and I'm more confident, more patient, more balanced, more smiling, more peaceful with myself and with who I really am. My personal life has improved in every way, emotionally, mentally, physically, and I feel also a little more wise. I'm not afraid now to challenging difficulties of the life, because now I know that they hide lessons and messages could improve myself more and more. I start also to use the ScalarPrana technique to heal my family. I can surely say that I had good results. The dose of love enacted gave a boost of loving improvement in relationship and the resolution of conflicts. What I can say more, I'm very happy to meet you in the great ScalarPrana family. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you all.